Chupi rides the train. Chupi is going on a trip with Mom, Dad, and Pani. Daddy, my bag is too heavy. Oops! We'll catch the train soon, so please cheer up. Dad looked at the billboard at the train station. Our train leaves at 9:15. Now let's get on the train. Before boarding the train, you have to insert the train ticket into the machine and take a picture. He taught Chupi. Daddy, I want to try it too. Ah, this car. Chupi, come on, the 12th car. I'll ride first. Chupi got on quickly. Our pretty Pani also ride a train, said Mom. Wow, we are the only ones on the train. Can I sit anywhere? No, Chupi, we have to sit here. Other seats are already reserved. I want to sit by the window. I brought crayons, a coloring book, and a car. Chupi, be careful. They will all fall to the floor. Ugh, I'm bored. When are we arriving? Chupi took the train too long. Chupi, then go to sleep like Pani. Pani is a baby. I don't want to sleep like Pani. After a while, the inspector came. Show me your train ticket. Wow,